Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss that two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Now proof. Let x dash OX and y dash be the coordinate axis. X dash OX and y dash on the coordinate axis. Let lines L1 and L2 are two non-vertical lines non-vertical lines and theta 1 and theta 2 respectively with their inclinations. Now let us first assume that L1 is parallel to L2. First assume that lines are parallel. This implies that theta 1 will be equal to theta 2. Corresponding angles are equal. This implies that tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. This implies that tan theta is slope of line 1L1. So AM1 will be equal to this is slope of line L2. So this is M2. imply that slopes of lines L1 and L2 are equal. Now, next, conversely, let us assume that let us assume that their slopes are equal. Their slopes are equal. That is M1 equal to M2. Let us assume that, conversely, let us assume that the slopes are equal. Then since M1 equal to M2, this implies that tan theta 1 is equal to tan theta 2. Implies that theta 1 is equal to theta 2. This implies that line L1 is parallel to L2. Corresponding angles are equal. So, if slopes are equal, lines are parallel, and when lines are parallel, slopes are also equal. Hence, two non-vertical lines, two non-vertical lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.